सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Page number 28, verse number 57. वृत्तीनामनुवृत्तिस्तु प्रयत्नात् प्रथमादपि अदृष्टा सकृदभ्यासात् संस्कार सचिवात् भवेत्. Vidyaranya, dealing with the topic of Nididhyasanam, to assimilate the Vedantic teaching, that which the student has received through Mahavakya. Through Tattvamasi Mahavakya, the student has received the teaching by those prakriyas and lakshyartha jahad ajahal lakshanaya bhagatyaga lakshanaya, having got the knowledge methodically for a length of time, then the student is eligible for further contemplation. Let us understand the difference between Nididhyasanam and other meditations. Meditation is different, Nididhyasanam is different. We saw this in the previous class, but still, since it is a very important point, I would like to repeat or remind. Meditation, when we do, it is a Saguna Ishvara Dhyanam. Brahman with Maya, Ishvara, Saguna Ishvara, thinking about that Lord with attributes comes under Dhyanam or Upasana. Whereas in Nididhyasanam, we dwell upon that Nirguna Brahman. We dwell upon Nirguna Brahman, attributeless Brahman or Ishvara, attributeless Ishvara, Nirguna Brahman, Atma Chaitanyam. Once I ponder over, I contemplate continuously, it is known as Vedantic meditation. We call it as Vedantic meditation or contemplation or Nididhyasanam. This we have to understand. This Nididhyasanam also is of two types. Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam, Brahmabhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam. Yesterday in Bhagavad Gita class we saw that is Brahmabhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam. Pashyan Shrunvan Sprushan Jigran Naiva Kinchit Karomi. I am not doing anything while doing my interactions. When sense organs interacting with the sense objects, I am not doing anything. So, without sitting in any particular posture, if I repeat that thought all the time while interacting with the world, if I remember that, I am doing what? Nididhyasanam only. I am doing contemplation only. while walking, while talking, while eating, while reclining, I am doing only nididhyasanam, that is Brahmabhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam. Here Vidyaranya talking about in this chapter, some other chapter he is going to talk Brahmabhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam. But here he is talking Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam. Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam, care of 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. 6th chapter of Bhagavad Gita is talking about Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam. Sitting in particular place, one has to do Nididhyasanam. For whom this Brahmabhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam, little advanced Uttama Adhikari. For really speaking, Uttama Adhikari ki Nididhyasaname teva ille. Okay, for Uttama Adhikari like Kenopanishad student, Nachiketan Madri irundha Nididhyasaname teva ille. Shravananlone ellame clear. But maximum students require Nididhyasanam, and among those also two types. Some of them doesn't require sitting and doing meditation or contemplation. Some people require only sitting, ukarndada kaalu kai aadamale irundada they can contemplate. So they require Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasana. So 1% only doesn't require Nididhyasana at all. 99% of people require Nididhyasana. And the 99 kuda 90% of people require Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasana. And the 8%, 9% is only Brahmabhyasa Rupa Nididhyasana. 90 and 98 putikalam. Only 1% is Brahmabhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam is possible. But 98% of people Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa Nididhyasanam. Therefore, Lord Krishna prescribed in the 6th chapter sitting in one position, posture, do pranayama and contemplate. That Samadhi Abhyasa Rupa only here Vidyaranya is talking Vrittinam Anuvrittistu. This Abhyasa, Samadhi Abhyasa, Savikalpakam, Nirvikalpakam iti we saw in the previous shlokas. In the Savikalpam, when it is continuously practiced for a length of time, Dhyata, Dhyanam, Dhyayam, Triputi, in that Dhyata dissolves, Dhyanam process also dissolves slowly, and Dhyayam alone gochara. Atma, here what is the object of meditation? We use the word meditation, but you have to understand mentally, oh, meditation anna inga namakku contemplation ani peru. Generally, this contemplation word nobody use outside. Only in Vedanta class we use this word. Even in all Vedanta classes also contemplation word they won't use. Only Pujya Dayananda Swami, these students parampara only use the contemplation word. I have never heard anybody using contemplation word. Only in this tradition only we are using this. Therefore, you never come across contemplation word anywhere. Namak enna word theriyumanna only meditation da. So I use the word meditation word, but you have to understand Vedantic meditation. Vedantic meditation and contemplation. From that dhyata, dhyanam, savikalpa, when you drop slowly, it happens. You cannot drop by yourself. Dhyata, go away, and pomata. Meditator, go away, and you cannot go. Dhyanam, process also stop, and you are really forcing. It will not go deliberately, but it has to go smoothly, spontaneously. Your long abhyasa brings that capacity to you to drop the dhyata and dhyanam. How difficult, no? Meditation பண்ணணும்னு நான் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கேன், அந்த மெடிடேட்டர்னே ட்ராப் பண்ணணுமா? எப்படி? I want to do meditation as a meditator. Shastra is asking what? Drop that meditator hood. How difficult. Drop the meditator hood. It is like sitting on one branch, cutting that branch. Is it not? It's like sitting on the branch, same branch I am cutting, and how is it possible? Will I not fall if I cut that branch? Yes, definitely you will fall. You will break your head also. Similarly, in meditation, I am a meditator branch, I am sitting and doing meditation. Shastra is asking, drop the meditator hood. Drop that meditator hood, dhyata. How is it possible? It is possible when you drop the meditator hood, that dhyata is dropped, you merge with the dhyaya vastu. What is our dhyaya vastu here? Atma. What type of Atma? Satchidananda Atma. Existent consciousness, Ananda principle, Atma. That Atma vritti, Atma vritti. I have to entertain. Therefore, here 10 Upanishads, minimum few Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, knowledge is required to do contemplation on Atma. What type of Atma? In the second chapter, Bhagavad Gita, 7 features I have given. Nityaha, Ekaha, Sarvagataha, Sthanuhu, Achalaha, Aprameyaha, Swaprakashaha, Sarvagataha. All these must be very, very, very clear, then I can contemplate. Is it not? Otherwise, on what I can do meditation? Saha, Atma, Aham, Soham, Soham, Soham. It must be some meaningful. Meditation means focusing, pondering over on a particular object. That must be meaningful. No? What am I doing meditation upon what? That must be some meaningful. And then Saguna Ishvara also some meaningful. Meaningful object I have to keep for meditation. Meaningful pratikam I have to keep in front of me. Similarly, meaningful Atma Tattvam, Sat Chit Atma Tattvam, it must be there in front of me. I am that Atma, I am that Atma, I have to say, it must be meaningful. Yannamo Atma ni solra and the Swamini, enna pannin irikena. It won't work. As you are thorough in our previous classes subject, then your contemplation is successful. Otherwise, chumma ukarande, I am Brahman, and after 5 minutes, I am dull, I am unintelligent. This is the unless I am very thorough in that subject. Okay. So, the vritti nam anuvritti. Here the question is, when I drop that dhyanam, how the vritti continues? How the vritti continue? Dhyataye meditationare ille. What type of vritti can I entertain? Dhyata meditate rindadane vritti continue ahum. But vritti nam anuvrittihi, how it is possible? No, it is possible. How is it possible? Because of 3 reasons. What were those reasons? Prathama vrittihi. Prathama vrittihi means the vritti which you have entertained while you are doing dharana, dhyana, previous practice, momentum. I gave one example. When you are pedaling the cycle, you are going very fast. When you are young, all of you have tried that. Once what you do, go fast, pedaling fast and going fast and stop sometime pedaling now. You never think that I am going to fall if I won't pedal. You know that even I drop that pedaling, I can go further because the previous speed momentum is continuing. That's why we never fall. That is called prathama vrittihi. That momentum, the thought momentum, even though you drop that dhyata, vrittis are not there, I am dhyata doing meditation, even though that vrittis are not there, anuvrittihi bhavati. that thought continues. That thought continues because of that previous prathama vritti. Deliberately what you have done practice. Aham brahmasmi, aham nityaha, shuddha buddha mukta swarupaha, mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham, panchakosha naham, shariratrayam naham, avasthatraya vilakshana sakshi aham, jagrat swapna sushuptisu. I am not connected to any avastha. These are all you have done tremendous practice previously, and the force will continue. This is the first reason. Second is what? Adrishtam. Adrishtam means generally we think luck adrishtam ani solluvom. Here when we use the word adrishtam is not luck, really speaking. Na drishtam adrishtam. Punya papa is called as adrishtam. Because punyam you cannot see with your eyes. Papam you cannot see with your eyes. Therefore they come under adrishtam. Priyarda? Adrishtam enna artham? Punya papa karma which you have done, they are in adrishta form, invisible form. For that I gave few definitions. Adrishtam is because of some punya karmas. I told you in the last class, Krishna karma, Shukla karma. Okay. That just I would like to give those 4 types. 2 types only I gave, Shukla and Krishna. Little bit more elaboration I will give. Krishna karma means that thought continues because of so many reasons. What he says, Adrishtamanna, because of your previous actions or results, that punya, hidden punya will work. How that thought continues. Anuvritti, how is it possible without dhyata? If you say it is possible because of prathama vritti, number 1. Number 2 is adrishtam, because of your punya, janmas punya brought forward. BF, brought forward. You do not know that. Even you do not know that punya force. How that punya, there are, this punya is a different punya, that which is acquired through certain actions. Before going to that punya karma, what are all actions possible for a human being to perform? There are 4 categories. First category is called Krishnam karma. Krishnam karma means the results of actions which are forbidden. Forbidden actions results, Krishna karma. And papa karma nardam. Forbidden and prohibited. Nishedha karma, once you perform, that results will be there, and that results are going to come later. This is called Krishna karma phalam. Wicked people, evil-minded people, they do lot of Krishna karmas. அவங்களுக்கு இந்த லாங்குவேஜ் தெரியாது. நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல, அவன் என்ன கிருஷ்ண கர்மா பண்ணுறான் అని சொன்னால் போதும். நமக்கு அவனுக்கு லாங்குவேஜ் புரியாது, நமக்கு தான் புரியும். நிறைய கிருஷ்ண கர்மா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான்னா, கிருஷ்ண கர்மான்னா அந்த கிருஷ்ணர் இல்லை, பகவான் கிருஷ்ணர். Why they have given that name? Krishna means black. Okay, and the black connotes or denotes that evil. That's why Krishna karma. Krishna Shukla Gatir Hete. And the Krishna Gati, dark path and children, and the Krishna literal meaning, if you take, it suits there. Okay, not Draupadi Krishna or Vyasacharya. Vyasacharya Krishna pair, Krishna ki Krishna pair, Draupadi ki also Krishna pair. Ninda Krishna vere Krishna. Okay. Number 2, Shuklam karma. Shuklam karma means mainly connected to the results of actions, doing at a mental level without depending upon external means. Externally you are not inflicting by your actions, But manasa karma, this is called manasa karma, shuklam karma. Manasa karma, inflicting injury to others through manasam. This is called shuklam karma. There is a possibility, but they are not bad people. They are good. Some ascetics, and all ascetics, when they do certain sacrifices and all, when they want to destroy certain evil, they have to do certain sankalpas. And the sankalpam, adu destroy pannanum, and sankalpam pandrathu manasikama. They are all come under shuklam karma. For the noble cause. For the noble cause, they do certain shuklam karma. At the time of kamya karma, when they want to accomplish certain good things, they do certain sankalpas. Externally, they won't inflict. Mentally, they do certain inflictions to certain evil things. They are come under shuklam karma. So Veda itself enjoins such karmas. Veda in itself prescribes certain karmas, like paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkrutam madre. Krishna pannadenna yudhyasva, Lord Krishna asking what it is. So it is a shuklam karma only, is it not? Even though violence is involved, it is shuklam karma because prescribed by Shastra. Then third one is Shukla Krishnam karma. Shukla Krishnam karma means a mixture of first two. Krishna karma and Shukla karma mixture. Doing parapedanam slightly and doing good for some other people also. One side, they afflict some people, parapedanam they do, and for some people they do good. So, mixture, Krishnam and Shuklam. So, Krishna Shuklam or Shukla Krishnam mixture karma. And fourth category of karmas are Ashukla Krishnam karma. Ashukla Krishnam karma. This is the category what we are talking here. Okay, first three we are not taking here. Our candidate is Ashukla Krishnam Karta. Ashukla Krishnam Karta. Even mentally also he is not afflicting anybody because he has no sankalpas. He has already understood he is Atman because of previous slokas. Ajahal Lakshanaya, he has understood Tattvamasi Mahavakya. What sankalpas remain for him? Therefore, no sankalpas. Therefore, Ashukla Krishna, Ashukla Akrishna supply. What type of category? This person, purely his pursuit is for the means of knowledge. For the means of knowledge, number one, to get moksha. They are already pure-minded people. Because of sadhana chatushtaya sampanna already. So pure-minded people, discrimination is there for them. Almost sannyasis who are committed to gain self-knowledge. This category, they offer all their actions to Ishvara. They offer all their actions to Ishvara. Karma yogi ityartha. Above said three of them are not karma yogis. They are all karmis with bad actions, with good actions and bad actions also, and mixture also. So all these are there, but this karma yogi, full and full nishkama, only knowledge pursuit, means is the moksha only. Such a candidate we are talking here. Adrishtam anna adida. Here, so adrishta referred here means punya of the last category, in the fourth category, punya of that person. Even second category person also get punya. Third category person also will get little punya. Everybody will get punya. Vaidika karma you do sakamataya, you get punya. But whereas the fourth category person, neither punya nor papa. So very difficult in the category kadikarade. All of you are belong to this fourth category. In the category, neither solano. Which category you want? If you are a Nishkama Karma yogi, you are the eligible candidate of Vedanta. If not, crores, laksha ganakla japam pannungo. Adella washed off ahanamanna ganakla japam pannada. Mantra, manana trayate iti mantra. Therefore, once I do japa, any obstacle, that spiritual pursuit obstacle irukkiradhu kuda punyam kuda papam da. That is also a papa which obstructs me a spiritual growth for spiritual Vedanta classes. Anything obstructs, that is also a papam only. Na smiling villain and artham. Puriyada smiling villain on villain da. Anal smiling villain romba mosam danger. Frowning villain anna pathale theriyum. Smiling villain more dangerous than frowning villain. So papam vida punyam innum binds the person. Like that, therefore, this person continues his thought because of that punya balam, adrishta balam, the thought continues. What thought? Aham Brahma Asmiti. In spite of the dhyata is dropped. Dhyanam is dropped. What is that momentum? Adrishtam pushes forward. Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. Engyo and the Vasana. Next he says Asakrit Abhyasat. Asakritana non-stop, continuous, untiringly he is doing from many janmas the abhyasa. You have done many janmas abhyasa. You do not know, you are thinking I am fresh, now fresh student Swamani Pada Vandanirka class ka neenga chulre. What about teacher? Teacher knows that you are not first candidate, you have attended already in previous janmas. So many harikadas, so many katha kalakshepams, so many satsangams you have done, so much of japa you have done, that's why you have come here and teacher ku theriyum. Adella sollamata teacher student ku. Enna cholla bayindidva. Student will frightened, no? Otherwise you cannot step in here. Impossible. The janma la punyam only brings you here. Not so easy. That's what he says. Asakrit abhyasatana, not in this janma, not few decades back. Na onnume pannaliye Swamini enna ana enak puriyadhu nee ippo pannala munnadi pudichu panditu vandittal. You have done lot of abhyasa in the previous janma. Easier puriyadhu Swamini enak romba easier irukku, romba nanna irukku, easier puriyadhuna neenga evvala kashtapattadu unakku theriyuma? Shastra says, my dear, you have done lot of sadhana. That's why you have come here. It is your what? You have paid. You have paid sufficient punyam. That's why you are getting this knowledge. If you accept it or not, this is the fact. Asakrit abhyasat kim bhavet. Sachiva bhavet. Sachiva means helps. It is very useful, purposeful. Na? It helps as a support. Sachiva bhavet. Na? It is a support. Pradhama vritti is also a support. Adrishtam is also a support. Asakrit abhyasa is also a support. Continuously morning listening to cassette, afternoon listening to cassette. While cooking also, Swamini, I keep your cassettes in the kitchen room. Na chonna okay vechugo anna. Ade whistle kuda idi kuda. Listen wherever you want, doesn't matter, but listen. Or writing, doing something or other, keep in touch with Shastra, doesn't matter. While traveling, okay. Something is better than nothing. So that asakrit abhyasa, that is called abhyasa. எல்லாரும் ஆஃபீஸுக்கு போயின உடனே உட்கார்ந்து டக்கு 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 நோட்ஸ் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கிறது, கேசட் போட்டுட்டே இருக்கிறது, சிடி கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கிறது. இல்லைன்னா எங்கே கிளாஸ் இருக்கு ஓடி கிளாஸுக்கு போய் உட்கார்றது. இதே மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா என்னது அசகிருத அபியாசம். வீட்டில் பீப்புள் வில் ஆஸ்க், என்ன பைத்தியம் மாதிரி உனக்கு, ஒரே பைத்தியம்னா பைத்தியம் அவர் சொன்னான்னா அசகிருத அபியாசம் அர்த்தம். If they say it is Paityanna, we are doing Asakrita Abhyasa in Artha. Okay. Next shloka. For this, what is a pramanam? Then Lord Krishna's Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 19th shloka is also a pramanam. He gives that. Krishna himself says this in 6th chapter. यथा दीपो निवातस्थः इत्यादिभिरनेकधा भगवानिममेवार्थम् अर्जुनाय न्यरूपयत्. ट्यूने मारी पूछो. ओके. यथा दीपः. Lord Krishna says in another place also, Shanai Shanairu Paramed Buddhyadhriti Grihitaya Atma Samstham Manakratva Nakinchidapi Chintayet. Shanaihi Shanaihi, slowly, slowly, you have to Chintayet. Atma Samstham Manaha Kritva. Manaha Atma Samstham Kritva. Manas has to abide in Atma. Once it abides in Atma, nakinchidapi chintayet. Don't think about anything else. That time your mind is like what? Yatha deepaha. Just like a flame. Deepaha means flame. What type of flame? Nivatastaha deepaha. Breezeless. In an aloof place, which is solitary place. Nivatastaha, breezeless, solitary place. The Lord Krishna said, Yadha deepo nivatastaha nengate sopama smritaha. Yogino yatachittasya yunjato yogamatmanaha. That sloka, like that, he just gave that deepa nivatastaha matram kuduthirukkaru. The whole sloka you have to remember. Ityadi. Like that, many slokas Lord Krishna has pointed out. Ityabhihi, ityadibhihi, etc., etc. Anekadha. In so many ways it is said. Even Kathopanishad also, Yamadharmaraja tells to Nachiketas the same samadhi abhyasa. He talks about this there also. That is Anekadhana Kathopanishad. Many other Upanishads. Bhagavan imam eva artham arjunaya nyarupayat. Nyarupayat explained, taught. Explained or taught. Nyarupayat. To whom? Arjunaya. To Arjuna. Who? Bhagavan. Bhagavan means which Bhagavan? Lord Krishna, our hero, Bhagavad Gita hero. Bhagavan. Imam eva. This same, what? Vritti, anuvritti, samadhi abhyasa, nirvikalpaka samadhi, dhyatrudhyana dhyeyam. So, the nirvikalpaka samadhi, sabija to nirbija. Savikalpa to nirvikalpa. Sampragnata to asampragnata. These are all words used by Patanjali Yoga Shastram. We are taking those words. It doesn't mean we are following Yoga Shastra. Okay. Just we are using those words. That's all. We are not either borrowing or we are not recommending that yoga. Really speaking, we never accept Ashtanga Yoga Samadhi. It is Andha Samadhi. The Samadhi, what they are talking is a Andha Samadhi. yoga samadhi. Why na? Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga of Patanjali never accept Jivatma Paramatma Aikyam, number one. Number two, they talk about Purusha is Satyam, Prakriti is also Satyam. Number two. Number three, Purusha is facing problem, Nitya Purusha, Satya Purusha, Atma facing the problem because of Satya Prakriti. அந்த பிரகிருதி கூட சத்தியம் தான் அவங்களுக்கு. மாயா பிரகிருதி சத்தியம். ஸோ இந்த ஆத்மா புருஷன் என்ன பண்ணுறான்? பாவம் கஷ்டப்படுறான். எதனாலன்னா அந்த சத்தியமான பிரகிருதி மூலமாக கஷ்டப்படுறான்னு தேர்ட் ப்ராப்ளம். அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் ப்ராப்ளம் இஸ் தாட் இஸ் எ நைட் மேர் ஃபார் தெம். அந்த தாட் கண்டினியூவேஷன் இருக்கக்கூடாது. யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டாப் த தாட்ஸ். அதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு சாப்டரில் செகண்ட் சூத்ராவில் பதஞ்சலி சேஸ் வாட் இன் எவ்ரி யோகா கிளாஸ் ஐ கிவ் த டெஃபினேஷன் ஆஃப் யோகா. யோகா சித்தவருத்தி நிரோதா இஸ் த ஃபோர்த் ப்ராப்ளம். சித்தவருத்தின்னா அந்த தாட் மாடிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் டு பி ஸ்டாப்டு. அதுதான் சமாதி அக்கார்டிங் டு பதஞ்சலி. That samadhi is called Andha Samadhi. And the thought vandadum, go without thought, eliminate thought. ஏன்னா அது தாட் வந்தானே அவனுக்கு ஒரு புலி பார்த்துன மாதிரி, டைகர் எலிஃபெண்ட் பார்த்துன மாதிரி பயம் யோகிக்கு. That is why these 4 points we never accept. According to Mandukya Upanishad, Amani Bhava is what? Not thought control, not thought elimination, but thought falsification. இது புரியறது, இந்த புரியணும்னா புண்ணியம் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் நான் சொல்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு, கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு இது புரியலை அது புரியலைன்னா இன்னும் யூ ஆர் பிளெஸ்டு. ஓகே, இதுலேருந்து வெளியில் வராமல் கஷ்டப்படுற நிறைய பேர். தாட் எலிமினேஷன் இஸ் ரிகமெண்டட் பை அஷ்டாங்க யோகி பதஞ்சலி. We also teach Ashtanga Yoga, not philosophy of Patanjali. We teach Ashtanga Yoga only 8 steps. Yama Niyama Asana. It is given by even Kapila Bhagavan also in Bhagavatam. Therefore, Patanjali borrowed and Cholala Ninna Nijama actually. So, Patanjali have not differed from that original flow of Vedanta in these points. Thought is a nightmare for them. Thought elimination alone is samadhi. What we say that samadhi is Andha Samadhi. Thought illamale ukkarndirukku. Thought illamale I am very happy Swamini. Few minutes thought illa. I am so peaceful, happy na. I will ask you, what is the difference between this desk and you? Suppose you go to that stage, okay, and the nirvikalpaka samadhi enna according to him yoga. வாட் இஸ் நிர்விகல்ப சமாதி? ஒரு விருத்தி தாட் இல்லாமல் இருக்கிற ஒரு நிலை. அது ஜட சமாதி, அந்த சமாதி ஆர் ஜட சமாதி. டெஸ்க் இஸ் ஜடம். இவனு கூட எங்கே இருக்கேன்? ஜடமா உட்கார்ந்துருக்க தாட் இல்லாமல். தட் இஸ் வை பீப்புள் கம் அண்ட் சே, சுவாமி ஹவு டு கண்ட்ரோல் தாட்ஸ்? த பைத்தியமான ஒரு கேள்வி. இந்த கேள்வி கேட்கவே கூடாது. பட் ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஆஸ்க் திஸ். அன்லெஸ் எ பர்சன் கம் டு வேதாந்தா ஸ்டடி ஃபார் எ லெங்த் ஆஃப் டைம், this word they again and again they ask. Thought elimination is not required. Gaudapada says thought falsification alone is required. You have to falsify the mind and you have to falsify the thoughts occurring in the mind. How to falsify the mind? Mind is an object. It is witnessed by you. Experiencer is different from the experienced. Experienced is an object. It is not you. You are the Advaitam, Atma Swarupam. There is no second real thing than you. Kekrado? There is no second real thing than you. If it is there also, it is Vyavaharika Satyam, Manas, thought Vyavaharika Satyam, not Paramarthika Satyam. Therefore, I need not eliminate the thought. I need not be afraid of thought. I need not frightened of thought. Thought vanda enna sollanum? Come on. It's my glory. I am enlivening the thought. Yes or no? I am enlivening the thought. We are not doing Jada Samadhi or Andha Samadhi. So even though Vidyaranya quoting that Patanjali's sutra based Samadhi, nammo nalla purinjukonum alaga. அங்கே வரைக்கும் போகிறோம் நம்ம. எங்கே அந்த சமாதி அபியாசம் வரைக்கும் போகிறோம். we are using same, but we differ. where we are differing, நான் எப்படி வெஹிக்கிள் போயிட்டே இருக்கும், போகும்போது கரெக்டாக எங்கே பாயிண்ட் டீவியேட் ஆகணும் அங்கே ஆகணும், இல்லை அப்படியே போகக்கூடாது. இது போக 2 வரும். இப்போ வேர் யூ வாண்ட் டு கோன்னா, அந்த சமாதிக்கு போறியா ஆத்ம ஞானத்துக்கு போறியான்னா கொஞ்சம் ஒரு மிஸ் ஆகி இந்த பக்கம் போச்சான்னு இருக்கும், அவ்வளோதான். இங்கே வந்துட்டே இருக்கும் சமாதி அபியாசான்னு. சமாதி அபியாச ரூப நிதித்தியாசனம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஆனால் இங்கே அந்த சமாதி மனசு சித்தவருத்தி நிரோதா, நோ மை டைரக்ஷன் இஸ் திஸ் வே, அழகா எங்கே மனசு போய் இட் cannot touch me. I have Vedanta support. This person doesn't have Vedanta support. He took only yoga support and went dropped. இந்த ஜட சமாதியில் மயங்கிட்டான். அதனால நீங்கள் ஜாகிரதையாக இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் யோகாக்கு சம்பந்தமான வேர்ட்ஸ், யூ ஷுட் நாட் பி மிஸ்லெட் பை தம். யதா தீபஹா நிவாதஸ்தஹ. ஈவன் யமதர்மராஜா டெல்ஸ், நவ் திஸ் இஸ் கிளியர். அந்த 4 பாயிண்ட் நம்ம ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு ரிப்பீட் அகெயின் அண்ட் அகெயின். ஓகே. ஈவன் கட்டோபனிஷத் ஹி சேஸ், யதா பஞ்சாவதிஷ்டந்தி ஞானானி மனசா சஹ புத்திச்சன விசேஷ்டதி தாம் ஆஹுஹு பரமாம் கதிம். Whoever withdraws the mind, sense organs, na vichesthati buddhi, and indriya manaha, they are withdrawn, you may understand that he is in paramam gatim, he is in the supreme abode, that is Atman. Who says? Yamadharmaraja. To whom? Nachiketas. Idhe samadhi abhyasa avaru solvar there also. He says, tam yogamiti manyante ஸ்திராம் இந்திரிய தாரணாம். இது கூட அங்கேதான் வரும் கட்டோபனிஷத்தில். தாம் யோகமிதி மன்யந்தே ஸ்திராம் இந்திரிய தாரணாம்னு. கட்டோபனிஷத்தில் 2nd சாப்டரில் 3rd வள்ளி 1st மந்த்ர, 11th and 10th mantra, 10th and 11th you can say, 10th and 11th mantras comes. யோகமிதி மன்யந்தே ஸ்திராம் இந்திரிய தாரணம். இந்திரியாஸ் தாரணம் ஸ்திரமாக இருந்தன்னா இட் இஸ் கால்டு யோகம். வாட் யோகம்? சமாதி அபியாச ரூப நிதித்தியாசன யோகம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. Now 59, 60, 61 he gives nididhyasana phalam. अनादाविह संसारे संचिता कर्म कोटयः अनेन विलयं यान्ति शुद्धो धर्मो विवर्धते. Through this abhyasa, there are 2 results. Avantara phalam, sakshat phalam. Nididhyasana will never give knowledge, understand. Nididhyasana will never give knowledge, atma jnanam. What gives atma jnanam? Ajnana nivritti, samshaya nivritti, viparya nivritti. Ajnana nivritti per se shravanam. संशय निवृत्त्यर्थम मननम, विपर्य निवृत्त्यर्थम निदिध्यासनम. So निदिध्यासनम contemplation will never give knowledge. After listening in the class, later I am going to get jnanam while doing nididhyasanam and chonnadungo. What gives jnanam? Only shravanam. Repeated shravanam again and again. First course, second course, Bhagavad Gita, second course also you have to listen. Yesterday some students are telling, Ippuda Puriyaradi Swamini Nanna, Pashyan Shrunvan Sprushan Jigran, we are assimilating nicely. Yesterday many students are telling in Bhagavad Gita class, I am very happy. I told them, for that sake only, for that your happy moments to listen only, I am taking second time Bhagavad Gita, I said yesterday. I am taking Bhagavad Gita for whose sake? In the introduction class of Bhagavad Gita itself I said, for old students' sake only I am repeating Bhagavad Gita, not for new students. New students are byproducts. Comes, let them come. Let them listen. But for old students' sake only I am taking Bhagavad Gita. You can assimilate. That is called Nididhyasanam. Second listening is a Nididhyasanam. இல்லைன்னா நீ வீட்டில் உட்காந்து சாம்பார் தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேள். என்ன பண்ணுவேள்? 11 to 12:30, 11:30 to 12:30 எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒன் மோர் டிஷ்ஷு இது பண்ணுவேள். அதே கீதா கிளாஸுக்கு வந்த செகண்ட் லிசனிங் இஸ் எ நிதித்தியாசனம். I was very happy yesterday after hearing from students, Appa, na teaching second time purpose is served. That is the purpose, no? That's why I am teaching. That means what? Second time of listening serve as not for jnanam to give. Whatever you have received already, that is helping you to assimilate. Because it's my personal experience. When I was listening, the second time further clear, third time more clear, more clear. There is no necessity of nididhyasana separately. Listening itself serves as a nididhyasana. நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு இது தெரியாது. So that is why whatever Guru does, taking class, I should not come to conclusion. ஏதோ இருக்கு குரு சொல்கிறாருன்னா சொல்லி கொடுக்குறாருன்னா ஏதோ இருக்கு அதெல்லாம். லெட் அஸ் கோ ஃபார் தட். என்ன குரு எல்லாம் விளக்கமாக சொல்லணும்னா அதுக்கு ஒரு லெக்சர் எடுக்கணும் திருப்பி, இல்லையா? இங்கே நீங்கள் பாட்டுக்கு நீங்களே சொன்னேன் இது பார்த்தாலோ, நான் சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. எஸ்டர்டே யூ யுவர் செல்ஃப் ஹஸ் செட் தட். That is called Nididhyasanam. So Nididhyasanam is not going to give jnanam. It is what process? Stirring process. I said, putting sugar inside. Sweet varli, sweet varli. First course sweet varli, first course sweet varli. Second course lo innum konjam potanna. Potradhu illappa, pottinadhu stir pandrom. Yesterday class is what? Stirring process. Excellent. I am very happy. The students are expressing that their experience. That's what here avantara phalam is the punya more and more come to surface. By nididhyasana what will happen? That punya, purva janma punya come to surface because of samadhi abhyasa. And that will also help you. Anadau iha samsare. Anadau means in beginningless. In this world, samsare means in this world or in this samsara, in this world, from beginningless time. Janana marana, from so many cycles you have sanchitaha. You have accumulated. சஞ்சிதான சஞ்சி தெரியும் இல்லையோ, அதுக்கு சஞ்சி என்ன பேர் தெரியுமோ? யூ சம்சீயதே. சம்சின கலெக்ட். யூ ஹவ் கலெக்டட் வாட்? கர்ம கோட்டயः. Crores and crores of karmas, karma phalams you have accumulated. You have sanchilo ஒன்று போட்டிண்டு சஞ்சி மூட்டை. சஞ்சித கர்மா மூட்டை கேரி பண்ண முடியாமல் கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்கேன். அதுதான் பாரம். ரொம்ப பாரமாக இருக்காது சுவாமி, கஷ்டமாக இருக்கு. ஏன்னா சஞ்சித்த மூட்டை ரொம்ப வெயிட் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கு. இன்னும் க்ரோர்ஸ் கணக்கில் இருக்காது. நான் சொல்லலை, அவர் சொல்கிறார் பாருங்க. கர்ம கோட்டையாகனா க்ரோர்ஸ்ன்னு அர்த்தம். கோட்டையாகனா க்ரோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் வாட்? கர்மா. ஜென்மஸ் கர்மாஸ் we are carrying in this birth. Sanchitaha, you have accumulated from anadau in a beginningless time. From beginningless time in this cycle of birth and death, samsara, transmigration journey. Okay, transmigration journey. இது ஒரு டிரான்சிட். நெக்ஸ்ட் அகெயின் ஊம்பு டு டூம், ஊம்பு டு டூம். எத்தனை ஜென்மான. ஃப்ரம் தட் அனேன விலயம் யாந்தி. அனேன மீன்ஸ் by this samadhi abhyasa, nirvikalpa samadhi abhyasa, after shravanam vilayam yanti, get destroyed. Layam na destroyed, dissolution. Vilayam visheshena layam. Vilayam yanti na all sanchita karmas will be gnanagni dagdha karmanam bhasmasat kurute Arjuna. அந்த ஞானம் இருந்தது, ஆனாலும் ஸ்டிரிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். அந்த ஸ்டிர் பண்ண சர்வ கர்மாணி பஸ்மசாத் குருதே. அந்த விலயம் யாந்தி, they will get destroyed. Once they are all destroyed by the samadhi abhyasa. ஏன்னா your punya, whatever you have done, it comes to surface. Even some little bit obstacles any are there, these through samadhi abhyasa they will go away. That which is obstructing not to claim I am Brahman, that punyam, avantara punyam comes to surface. And the கொஞ்சம் எங்கேயோ தடங்கள் இருக்கு. நான் பிரம்மன் சொல்ல முடியலையே சுவாமினி, இவ்வளோ படிச்சுனாலும் கூட இவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்படுறேன், இவ்வளோ படிக்கிறேன், ஆனாலும் அந்த ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு கிளைம் பண்ணது. ஏன்னா எங்கேயோ அங்கே சஞ்சிதம் ஒட்டின்னு இருக்கு. இந்த சமாதி அபியாசம் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி, அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி, அந்த சிந்தனை, ஆத்ம சிந்தனை பண்ணிட்டோம்னா தட் அந்த ஸ்மால் சஞ்சிதம் ஆல்சோ வில் கெட் டெஸ்ட்ராய்டு. அதுதான் அவாந்தர பலம். தட் அவாந்தர பலம் வரும். சாட்சாத் பலம் இஸ் ஆத்ம நிஷ்டா, சாட்சாத் பலம். திஸ் அவாந்தர பலம் ஆல்சோ வில் கம். போத் ஆர் அவைலபிள். शुद्धो धर्मो विवर्धते शक्नोति हैव यस्सोढुं प्राक् शरीर विमोक्षणात्. Whoever able to control his senses and mind in this life, raga, dvesha, asmita, avidya, all these kleshas, doshas, who master and who crosses over, that person ihaiva yasodhum prak sharira vimokshanat. Before leaving this body, that person has to work for that here. In Bhagavad Gita, that shloka comes. He says that Shuddha Dharma Vivardhate. Here we have to understand, a beautiful explanation is given. Shuddha Dharma means pure, it produces spiritual punyam. Shuddha dharma means spiritual punyam. Inge dharma means punyam anartham. Shuddha means pure, spiritual anartham. Avantara phalam is what? That sanchita karma has gone, destroyed, and produces spiritual punyam. This is according to Yoga Shastra phalam. Shuddha Dharma, these words are all used by Yoga Shastra. He is using those words here. Shuddha Dharma Vivardhate means grows. Shuddha Dharma, a cloud of punyam anartham. Shuddha Dharma Vivardhate, pure dharma, helpful to the realization of truth, not Atma. The truth. Atma realization and anartham. God realization is equal to self-realization. Self-realization is nothing but understanding that I am Atma. இதுதான் மோக்ஷம். மோக்ஷம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? Understanding that nothing is required other than understanding. Moksha means, in my Shivaratri talk I said, understanding I am Atma and understanding nothing is required other than understanding. There is no need of any sadhana further. There is no any need of sadhana further to become Atma. There is no becoming. There is no becoming. So next sloka is going to say what type of purification of the heart is indicated in the next shloka. Shuddho dharma means your heart will become pure because all sanchita also have gone, no obstacle at all. Chiyante asya karmani tasmin drishte paravare Mundakopanishad. So many quotations have to come in your mind. Okay, next shloka we'll read. Amuna vasana jale. Sorry, 60 yeah? Okay, sorry. Dharma meghamimam prahuhu samadhim yoga vittamah varshatyesha yato dharmam amrutadhara sahasrashah. These words are all used in Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga. So just he is using those words. Eshaha. Where is Eshaha? Varshati Eshaha. There. That Shuddha Dharma means what? Spiritual Punyam. It is like a Varshama Amrutadhara Madri. It showers on that person who is doing Samadhi Abhyasa. Dharma Meghaha Imam. Yoga Vittamaha. You have to put in a prose order in this way. Yoga Vittamaha means those people who are experts in yoga. They talk like this. Prahuhu. They talk like this. They say like this. What? Imam samadhim dharma meghaha iti prahuhu. Imam samadhi means this type of nirvikalpaka samadhi where dhyata and dhyanam have dropped, dhyayam only have absorbed nirvikalpaka samadhi. They say there is a lot of punya. What they say, it is called prasankhyanam. According to Patanjali, it is called prasankhyanam. Prasankhyanam means in a deep samadhi, this meditator, when he is doing, lot of vibhutis comes to him. Lot of siddhis comes to him, miracles. Lot of control over the body. Prapti, prakamyam, mishitvam, vashitvam, all will come to him when he goes to the deep samadhi. He just pushes away them. Once he pushes away them, his punya becomes double, triple. Because of his vairagyam towards all these miracles. Because he has done tremendous sacrifice, no? அங்கே போய் அந்த சமாதியில் எப்பவுமே சித்திஸ் பவர்ஸ் மிரக்கிள்ஸ் வரதோ ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட். தட்ஸ் வை பதஞ்சலி ஹிம்செல்ஃப் சேஸ் த யோகி இஸ் எ யோகி வென் ஹி ரிஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஆல் விபூதிஸ் miracles. He should not be attracted by them. He never bother, he never identify with them. A real yogi never look at them. That's why 99% of people utterly fail when you go to deep samadhi because their miracles comes. Once they take to that miracles and come to that world, they are out. Who says? Patanjali himself says. But what to talk of these kripanaha, unfortunate people? 99% of people trapped by the miracle powers. Patanjali talks about that person who rejects all vibhutis, miracles at the deep nirvikalpaka samadhi, prasankhyanam. At that time, his punya pushes him so much. Of course, he has to come to Vedanta Guru again. Such a person, Vedanta is a walkover. Vedanta is a walkover to such a person. Fortunately, I am proud to say that. I am happy also. When I was young, I used to do this abhyasa, samadhi abhyasa at the age of 16. 17 years. Shastra says through samadhi abhyasa you come to know tvampada vichara. You know that I am consciousness. Very easy when you go to deep samadhi. But I never come, because my personal experience I am telling to you. Because this, what example you require more than this? I am the model. Okay, that's why I want to share. I can know that I am consciousness, but I never know I am that Paramatma. Jivatma, I am consciousness, I can know through what? Samadhi abhyasa. But more than that, you cannot go further. But at that juncture, my punya pushed me here to Chennai. That samadhi abhyasa, when I did at the age of 17 years, many years I did abhyasa, 23 up to 24, 4, 5, 6 years, tremendous abhyasa. I understood that I am consciousness. But I never know that I am Brahman. I am the substratum of the universe. Because Mahavakya is not available for me that time. Fortunately, my punya, what I got through samadhi abhyasa, pushed me here to my Guru. Swami Dayananda Saraswati's lecture first I heard in Kamraj Music Academy. After seeing Swamiji, then I understood that I have come to a right teacher. Then Paramarthananda Swamiji, Dayananda Swamiji, I started studying Shastra. Then I come to Mahavakya Vichara. Then I come to know I, the Jivatma, consciousness, none other than Paramatma. Without that Mahavakya, you can never get to Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikya, Jnanam. But what is the plus point for me? Because of that Samadhi Abhyasa, the Vedanta is a walkover. My Swamiji always says, Paramarthananda Swamiji, a person who does Vedanta, Yoga Anushtanam, Yoga Abhyasa, Vedanta is a walkover. That is true in my life. That's why I want to tell you, Samadhi Abhyasa will never give Atma Jnanam. Yoga Samadhi Abhyasa never give Atma Jnanam. You have to come to Mahavakya, Apada Jiva Atma Paramatma Aikya Jnanam. That is called Dharma Megha. A cloud of punyam showers on that person. That person will be pushed to a Vedantic teacher. Amrutadhara. Moksha Rupa Amrutadhara. Mokshakya or Amrutasya Sadrishaha. Amrutakhyaha Mokshaha. Moksha Janakatvat Amrutaha iti uchyate. Immortality. Dharma Meghaha. Varshati, showers. Rain. The cloud is rain cloud. Punya cloud. And the punya வந்து எப்படி water bearing cloud வந்து மழை எப்படி பெய்யும் போரிங்கன்னு சொல்றான் இல்லையோ அந்த மாதிரி இந்த சமாதி அபியாசம் பண்றவனுக்கு புண்ணியம் எல்லாம் போரிங்க போரிங் போ போ மகாவாக்கியத்துக்கு போன்னு பண்ணும் எப்போ when you reject miracles குண்டலினி miracles இதெல்லாம் போயிட்டோம்னா அது போகாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு செப்பரேட் புண்ணியம் பண்ணியிருக்கணும் பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே ஓம் சாந்தி 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 ஹரிஹி ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ ஹரிஹி ஓம்.